Hello! Today I'm gonna show you Pokemon cards. This Pokemon cards is Comic Eclipse.
Show me the package first. Okay.
We
Put it
have
here.
Luxray. We have Ho-Oh. We have Jenny. What?
Genesis.
We have
Sermias. Groudon. I don't know. Kilgrave. These are rare
we
cards.
have Gengar.
Gengar.
And we have Deoxys.
How many? How many? One. You got them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
8 only. How about the other?
Now we are opening Crown Zenith Pokemon. We have Latias.
That's the rare one.
We have Latias. We have Volcarona. We have Energy.
Energy
We have
card.
Puchenia. We have Wailord. We have Hoopa. Dusclops. Hatton. Dragalage. Energy. Luxray. Deoxys. Sazzo. Energy. Marie. Tango. Simsil. Galarian Mr. Mime. Zamazenta. Executor.
Executor.
Yamega. Leafeon. Dualudon. Lipod. And Araquanid.
This is the rare card. Araquanid.
Now we are opening Crown Zenith again.
Crown Zenith again.
We have
Oh, this is the rare card.
We have Superior, which is strong. We have Susion. We have Wilma, Chestnut and Water Gun.
Wilma.
We have Zora. We have
Zeraora.
Bellossom. We have Voltorb, which I already have another one.
Oh.
We have Fire, which I already gave to my classmate.
Mm.
We have Deoxys again. Volcanion. Luxray. Energy. Dragalage. Marie. Tangrowth. Simsil. Mr. Mime. Zamazenta. Executor. Dualudon. Lipod. Mew, which are all the animals. Luxio, which evolved from Sphinx. And DMC.
Okay, last box.
Now we are opening the last box, which is Scarlet and Violet.
Scarlet and Violet. Just the rare one. Can
We
see.
have Deoxys,
Hmm.
Voltorb, which already have 2. Mr. Mime,
Again.
Snorunt,
Do you have
Yes.
this?
No. We have Zero again. Deoxys again. We have Raccoon. Sarude, which has the word rude. This one's
Zarude.
Salandit.
You have
And
like
we
this.
have Pikachu.
Wow, Pikachu!
We
We got Pikachu.
Ah,
Whimsictackle.
we have Tangrowth. Mew.
Wow,
So
Mew.
cute. Turtwing. Charizard.
And
Which one
Charizard,
is the
wow, this is a
strongest?
nice box.
Let's see what has dust color.
Oi.
This one is a little powerful.
Huh? This
You
is
never know what is purple.
60 only. This is nice
This one is
Charizard.
DMC.